Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a stamp test on Maniology's Pineapple Whip Plate. It is plate M015. I did have a little bit of some issues getting it started, and you will see that in the stamping process. I tried using the new stamper that they included in the Pineapple Whip kit, and they actually had been listening to a lot of the people in the Maniology Facebook group who said that they couldn't get the original stamper that they had to work, and that was a common issue, especially for beginners. And it was an issue for experienced people who have been stamping for years, and they just wouldn't use, and they couldn't use the old stamper, so they took that in consideration and went back to the designing board and came up with this guy. Took a second for me to learn how to work this bad boy, but it did work out for me in the end. And you will see some of those little trials that I do at the beginning. I also thought maybe it might be my polish, so I tried stamping with the stamping polishes that came in the kit. Found out it is not either or, it was just me, some user error. So, but yeah, as you can see, the stamps actually came out pretty good. There are some patches that aren't the best, but you know, that is okay. I did stamp it a couple of times, but I think all in all, the stamper head and this plate are really awesome, and I can't wait to actually use these in a nail design. So if you want to see how this stamps and see some of my trial and error, then keep watching. So just a side note I want to put in here, I did wash my stamper head with Dawn dish soap to prep it, and that's all I've done with it so far. is the final page of the Maniology M051, also known as the Pineapple Whip Plate. Complete. It stamps pretty well, actually, and I definitely dig the new stamper head that they put in the kit. It actually worked really well for me, and it's nice because it is clear, so I get to see exactly where I am stamping and have a lot more control over all of that when I'm doing nail design. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, guys. Bye.